Our project has been to develop an early screen for lung cancer. We've been sampling the nasal cavity, and we've come up with 5 or 6 different proteins that indicate the patient needs to go for further screening.
3, take 1.
Initially, we're focusing on identifying patients who are at risk of lung cancer who are significant smokers. The challenge of our research is to try and capture patients before they develop late-stage cancer, which means they cannot undergo surgical resection. Funding from Ideas with Impact is extremely important to help us unravel some of the feasibility issues associated with the development of our test. So, for example, we need to know how long the protein signature lasts on the devices that we're using. Commercial potential is that this assay becomes embedded within the NHS. Ultimately, this test will travel across the globe, and it will also be applied to patients who may suffer from the development of lung cancer due to environmental and occupational pollutants.